In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payments to Google Sites in 2025. With this guide, you'll find it easy to integrate a PayPal payment button onto your Google site, making transactions simple and secure for you and your visitors. To kick things off, we're heading over to Elfsight. This is an invaluable tool that provides a wide range of widgets, including the one we need today. Open your web browser and navigate to Elfsight's homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's user-friendly and the layout is intuitive, which makes finding the tools you need much easier. Next, locate and click on the catalog section. This is essentially a treasure trove of various widget options. In the search bar, type in PayPal. You should see a list of relevant options display almost instantly. Among these, find the PayPal button widget and click on it. You'll notice right away that there are several templates to choose from. Choose the one that best suits your needs and the design of your site. Once you've made your selection, click Continue with this template. Now it's time to personalize the widget to your specifications. Start by entering the email address associated with your PayPal account. This ensures that any payments made on your site are correctly directed to you. Next, define the payment type. Elfsight lets you choose between checkout, donation, or subscription, depending on what services or products you're offering. Continue by adjusting the localization settings. This will adapt the widget to suit your geographical location, ensuring everything from language to region-specific attributes are precise. Do the same with the currency setting, ensuring your transactions occur in the desired format. The customization process continues with pricing. Set the price for your goods or services in USD and specify shipping prices if applicable. If tax is relevant, ensure you select the appropriate tax type to keep transactions upfront and transparent for your customers. With all these steps complete, find the Publish button and click it. Now, as you shift your attention over to Google Sites, take note that you'll be prompted to choose a plan. For this tutorial, select the free option to proceed, hit the copy code button to capture your widget's unique embed code, then navigate to your Google site. Within Google Sites, look for the embed option. You'll find this under the Insert tab. Click on Embed Code to reveal a text box. Paste the code you previously copied from Elfsight into this box. When you click Next, you'll see a preview of how the button will appear on your page. If you're satisfied with how everything looks, finish by clicking Insert. Congratulations! You've successfully added a PayPal payment button to your Google site, providing a seamless way for visitors to make payments. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to revisit the video for clarification. Happy creating!